Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Lance from NerfThis.TV. Today we're having a look at the Razer Kishi. It's a game controller for your iOS or Android phone. So the Razer Kishi is a controller that packs away into, as you can see, a relatively small package, and it can fit, they say, anything from a small iPhone up to the biggest iPhone. I haven't actually had a chance to test this with the iPhone 12 range yet, so who knows if that works. But it does come with these. These are the additional bumpers for the larger phones so that they fit snugly within the grip of this controller. So if you pull these two little levers at the back here, it unfolds into these two separate sections that you can then fit your phone into. I've tested it with numerous cases on and none of them seem to work, so it's definitely a no case device. So I've taken my phone out of the case, and after that it's fairly easy to plug it into. What's nice about this device is it's actually got a charging port to the bottom here, as you can see over there, so you can actually keep it charged while you're busy playing. It comes with clickable analog sticks, which is quite nice. And I must admit, the overall build quality feels pretty cool. It's nice and solid. It's got a few extra features, as you can see over here. This little dot 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 button over here, if you double click it, it'll actually start recording using the built-in screen recording of the phone, which is quite nice, good to have. Of course, double clicking it will then stop the recording as well. I mean, it's pretty responsive, which it should be, because you are connecting directly to the lightning port, so it's not a Bluetooth device or anything like that, so there's no latency involved and everything like that. And it seems to fit quite nicely. There's not too much wiggle on the sides. As you can see, there is a little bit of sort of flexibility as you're playing. It's almost like that grip that they've got in there is not really the correct one for the size. Anyway, I'm actually quite liking the idea of this, and I have been using it. I still default to an MFI controller in my iPad because obviously with a bigger screen it's much more pleasant to play on. But this is very nice. It's nothing wrong with this type of thing, especially for on-the-go gaming. I know we're not doing a hell of a lot of traveling right now, but it's definitely a good thing for commuting. If you're sitting in the train or in the bus or whatever the case is, then this is definitely a much better idea. And it also folds away quite nicely. It's a little finicky. Let me take my phone out here. So you see, you can actually fold it back here, and then you have to sort of make sure that it almost goes in at an angle here, and those two gray points come together. Then you go around here and you need to push it in, and it clicks in quite nicely, and then it's pretty secure. It also comes with an app, but the app basically does nothing except check the firmware. As you can see, your Razer Kishi controller is up to date. I thought it might be that you could change the settings for the buttons and that type of thing, like that button and that, but it's not. It's definitely not a cheap device. If I have a look here quickly on their Razer site, this particular one is 110 euros, 109.99, and I would imagine it's the same in dollars. With my limited time with this device, it's pretty cool. I don't know that I would go out and buy one specifically because I'm not a phone gamer per se. But for somebody that does do a lot of gaming on their phone, especially Twitch type games that can use this controller, MFI controller supported games, this is a very cool option, especially for the traveler that can now pack this away into a nice small package and take it with them wherever they are. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Razer Kishi. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, it does help, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.